instead of imagining a sadhu, imagine your best friend. Your best friend is right next to you, and you have a lot of people coming in and they are trying to help, but they are giving him food, clothing, but they are not actually taking care of him. You know that he should be taken to the village, taken care of, medical services need to be provided to that person. But instead what people are doing is, we have contributed food, so my moral duty is over, I can leave now. We have contributed clothes, so my moral duty is over, I can leave now. When you face such a situation, with your best friend or anyone that you care about, what would you do? And the other one that you need to think about, Stephen, is, you left. Imagine you are the last person to leave that sadhu. That means the others did their moral duty and left. But you are the last person there. You are the one who is actually leaving the person there. How will you feel? Will you be able to sustain that feeling? Will you be able to leave that person? Or will you try to do everything in your power to actually save that person? It is very easy for us to go ahead and say that I provided clothes, but I could not save him. Yeah, an even bigger question in an organization is, an organization has a target, a set of goals to achieve. But suddenly, there is a situation. Let us take an example of the wars, say, and there are soldiers in the war, right? And there is always a commanding officer who is looking after the soldiers, who is looking at everything. And suddenly, a soldier gets hit by a bullet. And you are the soldier. Should you be left behind to win the war? Yes. But why? Is your life not important? The country comes first. Okay. But a soldier in Indian Army is never left behind. You should know that. If you are a soldier of the Indian Army, you are never left behind. No one goes ahead and leaves. This is the rule of Indian Army. When the Pakistani army entered Indian Army and beheaded soldiers, we went ahead and we took our soldiers back, we brought them back. During the Kargil war in 1999, Pakistan declared soldiers that they are not from our country, they are terrorists, they are not our soldiers. The Balochistan rifle identity card was found with the soldiers. The Indian Army cremated Pakistani soldiers. The soldiers who killed their own brothers. Imagine a moral situation. If you were there, now how am I relating this situation? The other person is an unknown person. He's a foreign entity. In fact, if you connect him to the sadhu, he's a person who has killed some of you. But still the Indian Army is taking care of him. They are going beyond duty. And he's a sadhu, a saint. And you should have taken care of him.
Okay, I'll add a couple of other points. The altitude at which the sadhu was found was 15,000 feet. It is acceptable climbing on Everest if you're at a height of more than 7,000 meters above sea level. Your own life is at risk. At 15,000 feet, your life is not at risk. So people who left the sadhu left it for simple joy and pleasure or achievement of climbing on Mount Everest. They could have avoided that to save that person's life. If you ask me, instead of a sadhu, there had there been an American citizen or a woman, Asian woman, I think the life would have not been equal in the same sense. So here, this is a case where there is disparity. Okay. So here in this case, there is a disparity between people leaving him, not treating the sadhu equally as they would have treated other people. So, and plus their life is not at risk at 15,000 feet, which is clearly a situation people could have avoided. Another situation, the group was leaderless. By leaderless, I mean people had resources. They could have pooled resources. If somebody had called the shot and said, we're going to save this person, so-and-so's group is going to do this task, the other group is going to do this task, and we're going to get that person safely down. People were just shedding responsibility. Nobody was ready to take the responsibility and help that person. They could have done that very easily. Getting a person down 500 feet with the help of Sherpas or porters, mules. It is possible. It is not something which is impossible. It is not something which is putting everyone's life at risk. It is not something which is killing any of those people out there. Yes, you are lagging behind in your schedule if you were doing that, but you are not at a risk of dying. So I think this is something that could have been avoided, and life is obviously not treated equally. Another question, I think if a sadhu in that case dies, there's going to be no media coverage throughout the globe. But on the other hand, let's assume a situation where a group of pilgrims or sadhus were climbing up and found an American citizen or some other citizen and happened to ignore that person and just went ahead and told. There would have been a big, like news about it, big news coverage and a lot of publicity, media, and all sorts of opinions on this. So I think this is highly unethical if you're treating life unequally. It could have been a person you know, it could have been anybody, but you cannot just take responsibility off your end and say that you're not treating this person equally.
I would just like to add one thing. So, is decision making difficult under stress? Is decision making difficult under stress? All the people who are climbing, they're not in a calm state of mind, right? So, to take a decision such as this, to stop their climb, after spending so much resources and whatnot, is it ethical or is it easy for them to take this decision? And one more thing, had the person been among them who had been like this, had they cancelled the climb? These are some of the decisions which are, difficult to take. So we have to take those decisions by taking the ethics into account.
I have two questions to the audience. I have two questions to the people who are on the track. One is, could the track have not waited for one life? And is the joy of saving one life not far much better than climbing Mount Everest or completing the expedition? That is one question. I close this from the Julius side. That is joy of saving one life, not much higher than just climbing a Mount Everest or something.